Today, I'd like to introduce you to our produce trays, specifically designed for the fresh fruit and vegetable market. One of the key benefits of our produce trays is that we also have stock tooling in place, which means that we have the necessary equipment to cut the tray components without needing you to pay for tooling. This saves you time and money in the production process. Our trays are also suitable for both manual and machine assembly, giving you the flexibility to choose the best method for your operation. And since our trays are delivered flat, they take up less space than ready assembled trays, which can be a real advantage for storage and transportation. Finally, our trays have a modular design which can be easily stacked and nested, making them highly efficient for transportation and storage. This makes it easier for you to manage your inventory and transport products from one location to another. If you're in the fresh fruit and vegetable market and are looking for a more efficient and cost-effective way to package your product, our produce trays are the perfect solution.